Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can install and then how you can use your TEEHO Keypad Door Lock. Whether you have just purchased a new lock or you are replacing an old deadbolt, this guide is going to help you get everything set up and ready to use in 2026. So first of all, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply remove your old lock, and then you need to verify that your door's bore holes match the dimensions required for the TEEHO lock. Afterwards, you just have to simply install the latch into the edge of the door, attach the exterior keypad assembly, route the cable through the mounting plate, and then secure the interior assembly with the sequence screws. Do not insert the batteries until the lock is fully installed. Now, once it is fully installed, you just have to make sure that the deadbolt moves freely without rubbing against the door frame. Now, you need to also install the AA batteries into it and then wait for the lock to power on. The lock will perform a handling or a calibration process in order to learn your door's opening direction. So this step is going to help the deadbolt operate correctly during the locking and the unlocking. So before using the lock regularly, you need to also change the master code, which is typically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And TEEHO also recommends creating your own master code before adding the user code or before changing any of the settings. So you just have to do that by using the keypad available on the TEEHO lock. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.